Welcome to Global Market Insights, your market research partner. According to a report by GMI, kitchen appliances market size was valued at $275.1 billion in 2023 and is anticipated to register a CAGR of 6.2% between 2024 and 2032. The market will cross $472.9 billion valuation by 2032. As per a report by Global Market Insights. Technological advancement in appliances and changing consumers' lifestyles are some of the major industry growth drivers. Based on product type, the large kitchen appliances segment, generating a revenue exceeding $145.5 billion in 2023. The conventional type generating a revenue of $231.2 billion and is expected to reach $386.4 billion by 2032, says this GMI report. Regionally, North America emerged as the dominant region, generating a substantial revenue of $93.93 billion in 2023. Key players in the kitchen appliances market include the following. Thank you for watching. Access the report by clicking on the link provided in the description. Don't miss out on valuable insights.